So now we get to cut this guy out for the outlet. If I had planned this beforehand, I could have made the end of the tile touch the outlet, but I would have had to start that all the way at the wall end, and I didn't, so I'm paying the price now. So what I'm going to have to do is cut up here, stop right there. This cut we'll have to do with a Dremel tool probably, see if that works, and then we have this cut down this side to that mark. The only problem is the wet saw will erase that pencil mark instantly when the water hits it. So I'm going to have to put a permanent marker on here, which is okay because I actually have to grind the edge of this down a little bit so that I can fit the electrical outlet plate onto it. I'm going to do that later with the final fit because we don't actually have the outlet cover that we want yet. Found a really nice looking one, so we may try that. But we're going to try dremeling that down eventually to so that the outlet cover will fit right in a pocket inside that stone. It's going to look real cool. Little square here. Got to Dremel the top across here to get that piece cut out. I picked this little diamond grinding disc set up at Amazon. See a link below in the description. We'll see how they do. It's going to be a little tricky to keep this wet, but I've got a handy sprayer here. This seems like it's going to get messy. This is called being resourceful. I make my own little water splash guard here. If this works. It might make more trouble, we'll see. Splash guard works. It's about halfway down in there, so we're going to have to flip it probably and cut from the back side. Still one piece. All right. Here's the dry fit. Right around the outlet here. So that looks like a pretty darn good fit there. So here's a quick video about how we cut this stone out. Take the cover off and show you that. Show how we installed this. Because there's concrete board and drywall and stone on top, we needed to buy an extension box, which is this little tan colored piece here, and it comes with some very long screws so that you can mount it all the way in, and we just slid that in first, pulled the wires through and attached it to the outlet, and then stuck the outlet in. I'm not actually going to take that off right now. To cut the stone away, I used the Dremel tool with the diamond cut-off blades, and I had to work under the stone this way and around and back down the other side, and then cut at an angle like this to cut away this area. It wasn't too bad. It took me about an hour, and I had water that I was constantly spraying on it the whole time. Of course, I had the electrical part all taped off so the water didn't get in there. But that's how we were able to make this outlet cover go flush all the way across the stone and have a really nice looking outlet fixture here. Here's the outlet that took about an hour to grind away using the Dremel tool. It came out great.